This is the US Army's next generation squad weapon optic, and it aims to replace all of the other standard issue scopes currently in service in the military. It's a massive leap forward from the old ACOG. And we have the first ever video footage available of what it's like to actually look down the scope. Today we're going to analyze the new features for you. It's like going from your flip phone to your smartphone. 1, 2, and 5 are all target reference points that you can create. So it took me a minute to fully understand how useful this feature is, and the engineers described it to me like this. Those ID points that you mark will display when the operator moves the reticle back over the area where that reference point is set. So imagine in a defensive position, you look over your field of view or your sector of responsibility, and you add reference point locations inside the fire control. Later on, you can quickly locate and move back over those reference markers and know the exact range to the target and then engage. It's basically like having a real-time digital range card in your scope's display. You're marking locations and the scope keeps track of them. If you're in a defensive position, you could yell out to your squad to all look at reference point number 1 if you see movement over there, and instantly your whole squad would be on the same page. Number 3 is the heading angle, which means the angle that you're holding your weapon relative to your target. This is actually the most important part, because when you look down the scope of your rifle, it tells you the compass heading direction that you're facing your weapon. And if you know anything about the infantry, the first thing you do when you get in contact is you call out the 3 Ds: distance, direction, and description. So right here on the display, it's telling you your direction. You don't have to pull your head away, pull out a compass, and get lost if you're a lieutenant. Nope, it's right there for you.
Chris, can you stop playing dress up?
I'll be right there.